Hi, I'm DevRow. This is Bob. So Bob, what I did today is I fixed the bug that your tools are not showing. I fixed the bug that you fly away when you gather resources. I changed the animation blueprint for the work links. I fixed the error marker. I fixed that they constantly wave when you pick them up and that they get stuck on resources. What did you do? You gave them tools. Alright, yeah, they're swinging aggressively and don't find the resources. Can you try this again? Yeah, just grab him and put him somewhere. Yeah, I'm not sure we should give them tools. Look at them. They just swing them around. Alright, so yeah, we'll have a look at it. Yeah, no problem. Just keep trying, soon they will learn. Oh look, that looks good. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. We fixed the finding of the resources. We gonna make them put the resources in the right spots, and then we should be set. Hope you enjoyed my video, and if so, like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends. I catch you all next time. Bye bye.